I'm the Frugal Gardener, and Saturday is my 4th annual Great Sweet Potato Harvest Day. This is going to hopefully be filled with sweet potatoes every fall for the last 4 years. The Frugal family, well, sometimes the Frugal daughter, sometimes the Frugal nephew, sometimes the Frugal son-in-law, sometimes all of us, we get together and we dump these bad boys. This year I am kind of nervous. My friends and family will tell you that I don't get nervous very often, but we had a crazy summer. We had a lot of rain the first half of the summer and a lot of heat the second half of the summer. I have no idea what I'm going to find in these containers. It's a lot like Christmas morning. I might get skunked. I might just get, a handful of sweet potatoes out of here, and it might be a decent harvest. This is, by the way, only half of what I planted. I kept getting more and more and more slips. This year, in addition to sweet potatoes, I've also grown purple yams. So I would say at least half of these are purple yams, but I'm saying half. This is not, as I was saying earlier, this is only about half of what I have. I have another bin like this, and I have 2 other large containers that I can't move. I'm not a spring chicken anymore, so my son and my nephew are going to carry, drag, haul. I guess I could probably put them on my wagon, my Rhino, but they're going to bring them over for me and line those up along the rest of the area so that I can dump these on Saturday. If they're not available to help, they can drop them off for me. I'll set the camera up so you guys can see what I am harvesting. I've already harvested some of the smaller containers. I should have brought those out. Those aren't sweet potatoes. Those are the purple yams that I did harvest. Like I said, they aren't very big because they were in small containers. The bigger the space, generally speaking, the larger the potatoes. So watch this space. This, hopefully, in a couple of days are going to be filled with potatoes. I call them holiday sweet potatoes because I let them cure, I let them sit. I've read in a couple of places that when you let them sit for a couple of months, that helps make them sweeter. The sugar comes out. So that's it for now. I hope you guys watch my next video, which is probably going to be Monday, because the harvest is going to be on Saturday. So more than likely, come back on Monday, see how I did. Say your prayers, cross your fingers. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification button so that you won't miss an episode. This is the Frugal Gardener, and as always, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video. Great sweet potato harvest.